Who is in China? I don't know. Can you imagine? Who's in China?
I'm telling you who's in China.
Bro, who's in China?
Who's in China?
Oh, who's in China? China में कौन? Who's हाँ Bangkok बहुत देख लिया तुम्हारा?
Who's in China?
China में कौन? The fuck is in China? Sanket, who's in China, man? Who the fuck is in China, yo?
It's you.
Yo.
Who's in China?
Who's in China, bro?
Divya, who's in China? Divya, who's in China? Divya, who's in China?
Who's in China?
I don't know.
Arshi,
What do you do?
who's in China? Who's in China, man?
Who's in China?
China. Who's in China? Who's in China, man?
Who's in what?
Can you tell me who's in China? Bro, please. Please. Hey, Francesco. Who's in China, yo?
What?
Bro, Francesco. Bro, who's in China?
I don't know. How can you not know, bro?
Bro.
कभी यही नहीं पता अभी तक.
Bro, who's in China?
Who's in China?
Who's in China? Who's in China?
I don't know, man.
Who's in? Bro, you tell me. Who's in China? Who's in China, yo? Who's in China? Who's you? What?
Who's in China?
Who's in China?
Who's in China?
It's not like
Who's in China?
Who's in China?
Who's in China?
Who's in China?
Who's in China? Who's in China? Who's in China? Who's in China? Who's in China? Who's in China?
Who's in China?
Who's in China? Who's in China? Who's in China? ये तो भड़क गया. मैं बताऊंगा who's in China.
Tiny, who's in China?
Tiny. Who's in China?
What are you even saying?
Who's in China?
I don't know.
Who? What?
Who's in China?
Yeah.
Chinese?
Yeah, bro.
Chinese.
The Chinese are in China.
No. Thanks, bro. Chinese. Who's in China?
Chinese?
China.
Nah.
China. It's snowing in China.
तू क्या पूछ रहा है मेहता से? Bro. मैं तो tell these niggas who's in China.
If who'll forget who's in China, then who'll remember who's in China.
Japanese.
You know what I mean?
ये तो तगड़ा जवाब दे दिया.
Who the fuck
Who's
is
in
in
China?
China?
I don't care, bro.
But you should know.
We all are.
I'm in China.
Who's in? Say I don't know who's in China.
I don't know who's in China.
No. I don't know who's in China. Say it 5 times.
What?
Who's in China?
I don't know.
Who's in China?
I don't know.
Right now? I don't know.
Yo, who's in China?
How do you not know that?
Yo, who's in China?
the biggest social in Delhi.
मना क्यों कर रहा है? मना क्यों कर रही है? बेदी.
I don't know, man.
I don't know. Oh, Sanya. Who's in
Yeah.
China?
I don't know.
I don't know. नहीं.
I don't know.
Who's in China?
I don't know who's in China. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I don't know.
I don't know, man. I don't know who the fuck's in China.
Who the fuck is in China? There's someone in China. His name is Charles.
Tulli.
He said Jackie Chan.
Ganesh.
बाबा मना क्यों कर रही है?
संभव की बात कर रही है.
संभव? कौन संभव? Who's in China? Who is it?
The Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister of what?
Great Wall. The Great Wall.
Who's in China?
You're in China.
It's you. Yo, China.
You're in China.
Except for me.
China. Yo.
You're in China.
You.
No.
Your mom's in China. Your mom's in China. Okay.
Who the hell is in China?
Just you. No one else.
Me. I'm in China.
You know the answer.
You know who's in China. You know it. China. I'm telling you guys now. Who's in China? I'm telling you who's in China, man. Telling you who's in China.
You tell me.
No, yeah. I'm telling you, yo, who's in China?
Skeptical schizophrenic fucking.
You know who's in China?
Who?
His name is Hu Chingmai and he's in
Who
China.
Min Kim?
Hu Chingmai is his name.
if you-
Hu Chingmai, उसका नाम है. Not
Like who?
Who's in China?
Hu Kim Chim is his name.
Who Kim?
The individual known as Who is in China.
Who is in China?
Who? Hu Chingmai is his name and he's in China. सबसे बता रहा है.
This was the lamest. Okay.
Is that funny, bro?
Okay, I'm a little slow.
Ming Jong, bro.
And
Ming Jong, King Chong,
he
King
lives in
Kong.
Gong.
What are you even talking about?
Talking about
Who's
who
in
says to me?
मतलब